Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video I would like to show you the new change length function in the sheet metal module. The many functions from the previous versions are now accessible via one button. As a reminder, since HiCAD 2020 you can only display the selected parts. A corresponding function is available in the context menu under Visibility. If you choose the function Change Length, you can directly select the edges. Here we choose a longitudinal edge. The selection can also be changed at any time with the red arrow. You can easily drag it into the desired direction. The grid is zoom dependent and becomes finer, for example, if you zoom in. You can also change the size of the grid steps using the plus and minus keys on the keyboard. If you drop the arrow, the preview is preserved. You now have the possibility to change options in the dialog. If you change the mode to all surfaces in same plane, the adjacent surfaces are also changed. You can also enter the length as a total length. You can change the desired reference. The length is automatically determined and entered. Click on Apply to carry out the change. By pressing the middle mouse button, you will have achieved the same. Alternatively, you can open the dialog via the Elements snap. With Shift and right-click, you get the appropriate context menu. The edge is interpreted and entered as a front edge. You can start dragging immediately. The third option of specifying the length uses a freely selectable point. A reference point can be selected via the spacebar and then Enter. In this case, the lower center of the sheet from which the point should be 200 mm in the Z direction. An additional distance can also be entered. The context menu of the sheet metal flange contains the functions that you also see in the ribbon. The context menu of a bend zone also provides quick access to the processing functions. Of course, the function is not only intended for sheet metal parts. It can also be applied to steel engineering plates and gratings. Here the ball plate of the substructure is to be shortened. During the edge selection, you can switch to selecting a front edge via the context menu. Now just select the front edge and drag the sheet to the desired length. In this case, I completed the change with the middle mouse button. Finally, I'll show you another nice innovation. You can double-click on a surface with the Elements snap. That means Shift to open the corresponding feature. This way you don't have to switch to the feature window to make changes afterwards. That's it for this HiCAD short clip. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun designing with HiCAD. See you soon.